I'm often asked, how do we hire the right person for our company? I've given a lot of thought to this because I'm an employer as well, and I've been an employer now for almost 30 years. How do we find the right person and put them in the right seat in your business? Well, after careful thought and consideration, after looking at numerous articles and books on the subject, I've come to the realization that there are 4 key things that you need to focus on. Number 1, does this potential employee or worker get it? Do they understand the job? 2, do they have the capacity to do it? Are they qualified to do the job? 3, is there alignment between that potential worker and the company? Are they suitable for the company? And 4, do they have potential for growth? They have leadership qualities. Focusing on the first factor, do they get it? Does this potential worker understand the job? Does he or she understand the roles, the tasks, the responsibility, the expectations, the job requirements, the rules, the vision, and the values for the organization? If they don't get it, then there's no need to go beyond that analysis. Now, if they do get it, then the question is, do they have the capacity to do the job? That is, are they qualified? Do they have the knowledge, the skill, the abilities, the relationships, the experience, the know-how, the authority, the organization, the punctuality, the accountability in order to get this done? Do they have the education necessary? Assuming that they get it and that they have the qualifications to do it, then are they suitable for our organization? Obviously, if they don't get it or they don't have the capacity to do it, it's going to be very difficult to justify hiring them or contracting with them to work for the organization. But assuming that they do have the capacity to do it and they do get it, are they aligned? Do they have the personality that fits in with the personality of the organization? Are they focused? Is this something that they desire or want to do? Are they passionate about this work? Do they have the emotional intelligence necessary to regulate their own behavior and manage relationships? Are they likable? Are they humble? Are they appreciative? Are they able to demonstrate empathy for everyone within the organization and our customers? Do they have grit? Are they courageous? Are they resilient? Do they demonstrate gratefulness? Are they honest, trustworthy? Do they have good habits? Do they have good belief systems that are empowering and not limiting? Are they aligned? Do their values align with the organizational values? Do they have a good work ethic? And are they courteous? That's pretty important. It's very difficult to work with someone who is not in alignment with your organization, and that person can be very toxic and create a lot of disruption within your organization. Now, that would be, to most people's liking, the most important factor when hiring someone aside from qualifications. But I don't care how great you are in terms of being qualified. If you don't have alignment within our organization, then I don't think you'll be a good fit. And so you've got to get it, you got to have the capacity to do it, and you have to be aligned with our organization. But even if you follow those 3 criteria and that potential candidate is someone that you're really considering, then the final thing I would ask you to look at is their leadership qualities. Do they have the potential for growth? Are they an A player or a B player? Or they are a C, D, or F player? I will suggest to you that you don't want any C, D, or F players on your team. And if you can have as few B players as possible, that would be great. You're looking for A players. Do they have the ability to exercise self-leadership? Can they grow and develop on their own? Are they showing propensity to lead themselves? What about helping others grow and develop? Do they show any propensity for one-on-one leadership? What about team leadership? Do they have the potential to lead a team? Do they have the potential to work in multiple teams and create synergy between the teams and exercise some potential for organizational leadership? And do they have a servant leadership mentality? If that potential worker does not have the potential for growth and development, is that person the right person for your organization? So there you have it, the 4 factors that I think are important in evaluating a new worker. To learn more about how to evaluate new workers or your current workers, please feel free to visit us on the web at www.privatecorporatecounsel.com or call us at 407-647-7887.
Please continue to listen to our podcast to learn more. Contact us at 877-647-7887 or email us at info@pcc.law to learn more about the Private Corporate Counsel program and how we can help you and your business on your journey to success.